So what you are going to do, first of all, you are going to click here and type admob.com. Depending on the browser you are using, any browser you are using, just type admob.com. Then you search for it and it's going to open. The next thing you will do, you click on get started. So right here, you're going to input your Gmail right here. You input your Gmail right here, and if at all you don't have a Gmail you want to create from here direct, you can just click here to create a new Gmail. Let's proceed. I already have a Gmail and I believe you have created your own Gmail already. So you're going to type your Gmail right here. After putting your Gmail, you're going to click on next. When you click on next, you'll be asked to input your password. You put your password right here. After putting your password, you click on next. When you click on next, you are just going to click here to skip all this process. So right here, you will choose the first option. Scroll up again, and then you also choose this very option. The next thing you click on start using AdMob. Right here, they will request for a phone number. You input a phone number here in order to verify your AdMob account. When you put your phone number, they are going to send you a text message which you will use to verify your account.
After putting your phone number,
you click
on send, the one at the down part.
So they will send a code to my phone number which I'll be using for verification. You can see the code just arrived. I will click here to paste the code, and then the next thing I will do, I will click on submit right here. The next thing I will do, I'm going to click on continue using AdMob. So right now, I will need to sign in automatically. It will direct me to sign in automatically. Here is my AdMob account, and if you check right here, is showing 0. I will scroll up and then I will click here that says add payment details. So right here, I'm going to click on add payment account, the name. Address. Right here, I'm going to input my address. The suburb is where you are staying. So right here, I'm going to put my suburb right here, which is the city where I live. The city again, I'll put Abuja right here. Postal code, you're going to put a postal code for your city. States, right here, you're going to choose a state. Remember, is Abuja, so we'll still choose Abuja. You choose the states. This number is option. Once I'm done with it, I'm going to choose submit right here. As you can see right now, my account has been created. My Admob account has been created, and this is the final step. Now, in the next video that will pop up, you are going to learn how to copy your Admob code. How you can copy your ad code and send it to anybody developing an app for you so that they can be able to integrate it. Watch the next video so you learn how to copy your ad code. The video that just pop out now, make sure you watch that next video. Subscribe if you want to learn more on how to earn from Admob and online.